In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a new voicemail notification sound. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. And then just hit Add New Voicemail, where you can scroll to the alert tones, and from here select any alert tone that you want. By default it's set to 3-tone, that's classic, and now you can select in that simple way any sound that you want to use. Also here you can scroll down for a bit until you find ringtones, and also you can use ringtones. This sound duration is bigger than alert tones, like that one, and also you can use ringtones for your new voicemail sound. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.